Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And firstly, I'm going to thank to our coordinator of IDP and also our beloved supervisor. We're going to start with the title, The Traffic Light with Accident and Elephant Detection. Next, we jump to behind the project. We have here our beloved supervisor, Dr. Siti Jamilah binti Ali, by following 4 students here, me, myself, Muhammad Nasruddin bin Azmi, with Muhammad Khairul Asfar bin Kamarul Azian, Muhammad Muzamil bin Muhammad Rizal, and lastly, Muhammad Syahmi Haizan bin Shafiq Afendi. Next, we go to introduction. So, what is the main issue here that attract us to make this project happen, to make this project come true? Is the issue is road accident and wildlife crossing, especially involving elephant. So we are focusing towards the elephant animal because it's very huge, it's very big, and it's dangerously to the road user. So divided to 2 areas, which is urban and rural areas. For the urban areas, we have here traffic congestion and slow emergency response, especially the delays for ambulance. For the rural areas, we have here the issues of elephant crossing the road that can cause a dangerous collision to the road user. We jump to the problem. Currently, there are no smart system to detect this incident in real time, which there is no IoT usage or anything updated online. Last thing is proposed project. The proposed project that we bring here, we will create an IoT traffic light system that can detect accident and also can detect elephant. It will send alert quickly to emergency services and adjust traffic signal to give way, helping to save lives and protect wildlife. So this already taught us that we are going to make an IoT based traffic light system that can detect, which is 2 things, the accidents and also the elephants. Next, we have here problem statement. For the urban areas, we have here accident. Accident will cause heavy traffic and also distracted driver, which is if you have an accident in this way, the other way will be distracted and also will having a bad traffic jam. Second thing is traffic light. We have fixed traffic light and no emergency synchronization. If something happen, if accident happen, there is no special case or no special time to let the flow become easier, especially for ambulance. The third thing is ambulances delay, or the ambulances delays because of the traffic jam, because of the traffic light itself. Last thing is the solution. The solution is we need the real-time accident detection so that we can make sure the way is clear, especially for the ambulance. We go to rural areas. First thing first is wildlife. Elephant cross the road, it will cause crash, and it will also cause a traffic issue, which is traffic jam or traffic block because of the elephant things. The second thing is no system to detect animals, no system to detect animals that can cause something bad to happen to the road user because we have no alert. So it will increase the accident happen. It will increase the numbers or the percentage of accident will happen. Slow help, remote areas, delay response, where this is focusing on the IoT based thing. Solution. This solution can protect human and also the endangered elephant. Next, we go to objectives. First, to develop an accident and elephant attack detection. So we have 2 things to consider here, which is the accident and also the elephant attack. So we have 2 in 1 in the system. Second thing is to integrate the detection system with a notification that will notify the authority via IoT. So to integrate the IoT in this project, which is easily after the detection, it will notify, it will give some notification to the author. The third thing is to evaluate the effectiveness of the system. Next, the innovativeness. Okay, we focus on the work first. The project utilized camera-based hardware, system with software developed by Google Colab and also RoboFlow to detect the elephant and high-risk area. We will focus on the hardware and software scope, which is hardware we're using camera and Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi we set to one master and slave to another. Let's say we have one way from Pirate Raja to Aitam. So we will have one master and the other will become slave. The master will control the slave. Okay, for the software we have here Google Colab and also RoboFlow.
So to start with is stake analysis. Stake analysis is strategic planning tool used to assess the external factors that may influence a project or decision-making process. It stands for social, technological, economic, environmental, and political. So in the context of this project, conducting a steep analysis is highly significant. This project operates at the intersection of road safety, technological innovation, and wildlife conservation. So to start with is social. First one, social, is the key points of the social analysis is to enhance road and wildlife safety. And next one is reduce fatalities. So for the technological point of view, AI sensors and image processing, and also IoT integration. For the economic process or economic analysis is high initial cost but long-term saving and creates tech job for people. And for the environmental analysis is protect endangered wildlife and eco-friendly setup. So, and the last one is political analysis of this project is require policy and regulation, and it fits the smart city goals, especially for the. So for the next method of methodology is equipment. So for the equipment we use a Raspberry Pi and camera. So the Raspberry Pi is a small microcontroller or computers that runs a full operating system and can perform tasks like programming, internet browsing, and hardware control. It is ideal for camera detection projects like this by connecting a camera module using libraries for real-time image processing and object detection. So for the methodology of software, we use the Google Colab. Google Colab is a free platform that allows users to write and run coding directly in the web browser with a powerful support for the machine learning and data processing. So with the Google Colab, it can be used to develop, train, and test accident or elephant detection models efficiently before deploying them to the device like the microcontroller. Then for the next methodology is the RoboFlow tools. So to use this, first we have to collect the image and label them and then use the image to upload to the RoboFlow. So RoboFlow tools can simplify the process of annotating image using the user-friendly interface. And with this, after this annotation, we use the RoboFlow to generate the dataset with augmentations such as rotations, flipping, or exposure adjustments. Then we train the model directly in RoboFlow, and once it been trained, the model is hosted in RoboFlow's cloud or embedded locally for offline interference. So that's all the methodology. Thank you. So from the methodology that we discussed, the design system specification has been fulfilled, and an accident and elephant attack detection system has been developed. And the second one is the detection of the system is integrated with the notification system that will notify the authorities such as wildlife ranger, police, or medical officer with use of IoT in the methodology that we discussed before. So that's all for the methodology
of the project. Starting from the oval, which is start, we will have here start, and then the traffic light will capture the image. So the image will be any kind of accident, any kind of wildlife, especially we're focusing on the elephant. So next is detect accident or elephant. If it's a yes, detection within 60-meter radius, it will connect to authority. It will connect to authority. If there's no detection of the elephant or the accident, it will go to the either state, which is back to focusing on the detection, focusing on the accident case or elephant. If it's a yes, it will send message to notify the authority. So it will end the flowchart here, which is an ABC. We go to need too many road accident, including crashes with elephant, thus need a better safety. So a better safety, we just add up the detection. It will helps a lot for the NABC, which is the need side. For the approach, we have smart traffic light with AI, cameras and sensor to detect accident, and elephant. For the benefit, we have fewer accidents, safer roads, protect animals, and support smart cities. So we have fewer accidents. This is the most important part, which is we could last the numbers of accidents that could happen. For the competition, we have normal traffic light, warning sign, patrol, and basic cameras. So this is our competitor. We are competing all the manuals or all the normal traffic light, all the warning signs for this project.
So in conclusion of this project, the traffic light with accident and elephant detection project presents an innovative and practical solution to the modern traffic management. For the urban area, it will be no longer a problem for the accident victim because medical team can arrive faster. And for the rural area, the elephant appearance will be safer for the citizens when the detection system is working. The project reflects the importance of people safety, and with this smart detection technology, Yeah, this project can significantly enhance the road safety and promote efficient emergency response to the task authority faster and easier. So that's all for the project presentation. Thank you.